How to take screenshot in Telegram private channel. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. So first things first, you have to make sure that your Telegram is updated to the latest version in order to access its full features. Right after updating Telegram, you can just go ahead and open up the application, and once inside, we can then go ahead and take a screenshot of our conversation right here. As you can go ahead and see, it completely works. And if we go ahead and navigate through a group chat, the same thing works right here. But for some reason, you cannot go ahead and take a screenshot inside a conversation. There is no alternative way on how you can bypass this method because it was put there by security purposes. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.